you live from Bayside High School, Saved by the Max.
It's alright, cause I'm saved by love. It's alright, cause I'm saved by love. It's alright, cause I'm saved by the bell.
Well, I'm here to support the Bayside Tigers, having dinner at the Max, Saved by the Max, here in Los Angeles.
Some of my favorite entrees. I love the Bayside burger, the preppy pastrami, Kevin and the robot fish tacos. If you get a sandwich, the burger, the Kelly, the preppy, it comes with a side, okay?
Oh, okay.
Drinks and dessert are all extra. Love the Max's Magical Sweet Tooth. It's a churro waffle with vanilla ice cream and a salted caramel drizzle.
All right, let's see what's happening here at Saved by the Max. Yeah, that looks like some good food there. Well, I'm here in Mr. Belding's office. Let's take a look around. Mr. Belding is not here right now, but here he is in a cardboard cutout. Well, look at that face. Looks like some people have been taking to scribbling on his planner. Here's the Bayside High School certificate. I guess Belding graduated from here back in 1968. With that, he also got some awards. Open ocean freestyle, some swimming, most improved math student. Look at all these things. Who knew Mr. Belding was such an award-winning principal? So we're here at the lockers area. I don't know if any of these, I guess you can't. Everybody's got their lockers locked today. Looks like there's a summer dance next Saturday. Here's the girls' room and here's the boys' room. Let's take a look at the men's room. Well, looks like our food is here, our appetizers, and I don't know about you, but I don't remember poutine being a popular 90s high schooler food. Wings, though, maybe. It's the Bayside Burger. Let's give it a try. It's just like I remember from the 90s. The burger's just the way I like it too. 2 patties, well done, and Slater's face on it. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Saved by the Max. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's the 90s, early 90s. Get me Principal Belding. Principal Belding, please. It's urgent.